Hello, I'm Eugene Rao from Timișoara, Romania, and I want to discuss a subject with the title Intuition, Intimate Mechanism, and I say I advance the following opinion. I am interested in the intimate psychic and neural mechanism of intuition. Intuition processing outputs seems to us mostly as having an exceptional, valuable, and in some cases, mysterious character. In my opinion, it consists mainly of bridging some known related notions with others, but not with one situated logically in line or close related. More, I am suspecting, related with ones in appearance unrelated at all, so named after hidden relation is revealed that being contra-intuitive ones. Probably kind of similar mechanism could or is already used in AGI or currently used by human brain in creation processes. White verses in poetry is the perfect example. For the moment, I will not delve into this domain further. What is your AI assistant opinion? And Gemini responded, that is a fascinating and insightful perspective on intuition. Your hypothesis that intuition involves bridging seemingly unrelated notions to reveal a hidden relation aligns closely with current psychological and neurological theories that emphasize unconscious pattern recognition and nonlinear processing. Here is a breakdown of your idea in the context of scientific understanding and its potential relevance to artificial general intelligence (AGI) and creativity. The psychic and neural mechanism of intuition. Your description of intuition is revealing counterintuitive connections perfectly captures a key aspect of how scientists now view this phenomenon: unconscious processing and pattern matching. Intuition is widely defined as the ability to understand something instinctively without the need of conscious reasoning. The prevailing scientific view is that the brain constantly collects, processes, and stores vast amounts of sensory data and experience in the subconscious mind. Intuition is the rapid, automatic result of the mind sifting through this tacit knowledge and pattern matching current perceived elements with past experiences. This happens so quickly that the underlying logical steps are not available to conscious awareness. Neural correlates. Functional magnetic resonance imaging (fMRI) and electroencephalography (EEG) studies have implicated specific brain areas. The default mode network (DMN), which is active when the brain is at rest or not focused on external tasks, is involved in intuitive decision-making. The bilateral inferior parietal cortex and other regions associated with decision-making under uncertainty and intuitive judgment. The gut-brain axis and the emotional centers in the brain bracket, like the limbic system, play a critical role, which is why intuition is often felt as a gut feeling with an emotional certainty, bridging disparate information. Your point about bridging unrelated notions is supported by the study of insight. While intuition is often seen as a fast, experience-based judgment, yes or no, insight is the sudden, unexpected apprehension of what the solution is, often by recombining single inquiry elements or integrating disparate inquiry elements. The counterintuitive quality you describe is essentially the experience of that hidden pattern being suddenly revealed, connecting elements that logical linear thought had failed to link. Intuition in AGI and human creativity. The mechanism you propose is highly relevant to both advanced AI systems and human creative processes, AGI, and non-linear problem solving. Current deep learning models in AI, while powerful, primarily excel at analytical thinking. System 2 slow, effortful, and complex pattern recognition with a given dataset. However, AGI aims for human-level general intelligence, which would require the ability to make intuitive leaps, or what you call bridging unrelated notions. This is the challenge of transfer learning and moving beyond local optimization to global, non-obvious solutions. Researchers are exploring methods for AI to leverage unconscious internal representation to form novel connections that surpass the limits of explicit logical programming. Creativity (poetry and beyond). You correctly identify white verse poetry as a perfect example. Creative acts often involve divergent thinking, moving away from expected linear associations. The sudden realization that two seemingly distant concepts are profoundly linked is the core of a compelling metaphor or an artistic breakthrough. This is the integrative function of scientific intuition, too, where a discovery synthesizes disparate data points into a new unifying structure. Your perspective suggests that the value of intuition is precisely in its nonlinear efficiency. It bypasses the slow, step-by-step process of analytical thought to deliver a highly accurate and holistic solution, which often feels mysterious because the logical pathway is non-conscious. Thank you very much. Bye.